With the RAK magnetic wristband, there's no need to search your pockets anymore. This innovative tool holds nails, bolts, and screws right where you need them. Never lose small parts again with 10 strong magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband. When working alone, this awesome tool is a great time saver, giving you a third helping hand for every project you throw at it. But it's not only for your wrist. Strap it on your waist and use it as a super compact tool belt. Our magnetic wristband is built to last with adjustable fit for every wrist and features a soft, breathable inner layer so you can work all day. This is the perfect gift for the handyman or do-it-yourselfer for any occasion. You won't know you needed one until you have one. Satisfaction guaranteed with a full 1-year return policy when purchased from Ad Hoc LLC. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Buy yours today.